how to use Threads app, that is the Twitter alternative. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into the buzz surrounding the Threads app, Meta's latest rival to Twitter. If you have been on social media lately, you know it's trending everywhere. So let's get started. So, if you're not familiar, Threads app is designed to let users create conversation threads similar to Twitter but with unique features. First things first, if you already have an Instagram account, you can log in into your Threads account by using your Instagram credentials. This means all of your followers and the people you follow on Instagram will automatically transfer over. No more starting from scratch. Now let's talk about how it works. If you go to the home page and then you swipe and hold to refresh the feed, and then to write a post, you have to tap on what's new, and then it's similar to writing a tweet. uh, you can even add pictures from a gallery, take photos from a camera, add GIFs, and then even use the microphone to record your voice and then post it. And then you can you can even put in polls, and then you can even put in your location. So, this is super friendly. Uh, you can comment on people's posts, you can like it, you can comment on it, you can repost it, and then you can even share content directly to your Instagram stories and feed. It's super user friendly. uh, However, it's important to note that Threads currently doesn't have direct messaging. I'm sure this feature will be added soon, but for now you'll have to stick to public interactions. And another cool feature is that if you block someone on Instagram, they will be automatically blocked on Threads too. This helps maintain your privacy and control over who you interact with. And that's it. It's a really good alternative to Twitter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.